Welcome back. Great to see you continuing your C++ journey. Every lesson you complete builds your confidence and skill. Let's dive into today's topic. C++ Beginner Course Lesson 2.1 Statements. In this lesson, we're going to explore something you've already seen many times, even if you didn't fully realize it yet: statements. Statements are the basic units of execution in C++. They tell the computer exactly what to do, line by line. Understanding them now will make the rest of your C++ journey much smoother, because every program you will ever write is built from statements. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll define what the statement actually is and why it's the basic unit of execution in C++. We'll look at the different types of statements you'll encounter and how they form the structure of your programs. Finally, we'll go through common mistakes beginners make so you can avoid them right from the start. So, what exactly is a statement? A statement is simply a single instruction that tells the computer to do something. It might declare a variable, update a value, or call a function. Think of statements as the individual steps in a recipe. Each one performs one clear action. When you write a program, you're really writing a sequence of statements that the computer will follow. Statements matter because they define the flow of your program. The computer reads your statements from top to bottom, executing each instruction in order. This predictable flow is what makes programming logical and structured. Understanding statements helps you understand how your program behaves and why certain actions happen when they do. There are several types of statements you'll encounter in C++. Declaration statements create variables, assignment statements change values, function call statements perform actions, and control statements handle decisions and repetition. You don't need to memorize this yet. Just understand that statements come in different forms, each with a specific purpose. When you run your program, the compiler processes each statement one by one. This creates a clear, predictable flow of execution. Later in the course, you learn how control structures like loops and conditions can change this flow. But for now, remember this: statements execute in the order you write them. Beginners often run into a few common issues. The most frequent one is forgetting semicolons, which we'll cover in the next lesson. Others include writing multiple statements on the same line or mixing comments in ways that break the structure. These mistakes are normal, and understanding statements early helps you avoid them. Let's recap. A statement is a single instruction that performs one action. Programs are built from sequences of statements, and understanding them helps you understand how your code flows and behaves. In the next lesson, we'll look at semicolons, the tiny symbol that tells the compiler where each statement ends. It's great progress today. You're building a strong foundation step by step. Thanks for watching and for being part of this learning journey. Your support and subscription truly help this course grow.